There are many researches indicating that indoor plants can help you relax and stay positive. Here are the best houseplants for stressed-out people. Snake plant. Snake plants are not only popular for elegant looks, but they also gained fame due to removing airborne toxins that can affect energy levels and sleep. This cam plant reduces CO2 at night and makes your sleep more peaceful and healthy. Peppermint. Apart from use in cuisines, mint is also an excellent stress reliever. According to the International Journal of Neuroscience, the fragrance of peppermint and its oil can reduce stress, enhance memory, and have positive effects on mood. Pothos. According to a Japanese study, when you touch the pothos plant, it stimulates a sense of physiological calm. It also eliminates harmful toxins from the air. Growing it indoors also adds fantastic beauty to your space. Erica palm. Low humidity and dry air have a negative impact on the stressed mind. You can combat such conditions by growing the Erica palm that has the highest transpiration rate. Flamingo lily. Popular for large glossy leaves and distinct-looking blooms, the flamingo lily can remove toxins like ammonia, formaldehyde, toluene, and xylene from the air that have a negative impact on mental health. English ivy. This gorgeous houseplant is an excellent air purifier. It humidifies indoor air and removes molds. All these attributes help in relieving stress and calm a depressed mind. Weeping fig. This air-purifying plant is an ideal choice for calming anxiety. According to NASA's Clean Air Study, this beautiful houseplant removes airborne toxins like xylene, toluene, and formaldehyde, making indoor air clean, thereby helping in keeping stress levels low. Spider plant. According to this study, it's been observed that spider plant has a positive impact on the patients recovering from surgery when placed in the hospital rooms. It's been recorded that spider plants can lower blood pressure, reduce pain, and anxiety. Kimberly Queen. This easy-to-care-for fern can remove air pollutants and make the air fresh and healthy to breathe that alleviate stressed-out people. Cornstalk Dracaena. Dracaenas are beautiful houseplants that eliminate airborne contaminants, making breathing healthier, combat colds, and improve health. It's a good choice to relax a stressed life and mind. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more gardening tips, plant wonders, and fascinating insights, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy gardening!